Hi, I'm GoNoNoNo64, and today I will be making a video tutorial on how to use Silly Tarre. Tarre. Don't know how to pronounce that. Um, Alright, so first thing, you'll want to download the bot, obviously, from the link. Where is it? It's around here somewhere. Anyways, download it from the link. After that, you'll want to go to the other link to get the CD key. Once you open up the page, it will have a line of numbers and letters. Just copy that, open up global_config.ini, and you'll want to paste that where it says CD key equals. Right, yeah. After that, just file, save, and then you can close this. Next, what you'll want to do is you'll want to double click getupdates.exe. It'll take a little bit of time, but once it's done, you should see updated _main, whatever the update is. So I have 0.66.exe. Before you open this up here, which is your main bot, you'll want to make a profile for your main character, unless you're just using just testing it once for it has the two defaults, level 1 mage and a level 1 rogue. To create your own profile, you will want to make a new folder. So for example, this one. So new folder. Go into either the level 1 mage or the level 1 rogue, and then copy these two files, go into your new folder, and then paste them. After you've done that, open binding.ini. First thing is your mount. You will want to change this to the key that your mount is on. So if in WoW your mount is on 9 or 0, then you'll want to change that to 0 or 9 or whatever it's on. I'll just say, for example, mine is on 0. Also, make sure that these are correct. This is in yards, so if you don't know, then you'll have to look it up, what your character is. I don't quite know what the eat and drink does or how to use it, nor do I know the after combat. But starting off with the buffs, if your buff is, for example, fell armor, which is a warlock buff, say that's on 9, it's a 0 cast time, and the cooldown will want to put it for a little bit higher than what it's at. Well, no, you can leave it at 30. I'm sure it'll be fine. Before combat is basically the first attack that your character will do. So if say you normally start off with a shadow bolt to attack your enemy with, then find which key your shadow bolt is on. For example, mine would be on 1, and then put the cast time here, and then put the cooldown here. If there isn't any cooldown, then just leave it at 0 or put it at 0, whatever. Next is while in combat. So if this is when like after this initial attack. So if you want him to do say Curse of Affliction, I believe it's called, and that would be on like 2 for like in the game, it would have a cast time of 0, so it's an instant cast for me, and no cooldown. And say you want to do Immolate, which is on 3. It has cast time, I believe it's 1.5, I can't remember, and no cooldown. Also, there's Haunt or whatever you have. If you're Affliction, whatever. Maybe you'll want to have him do another Shadow Bolt, even. It'll go completely in order from the before combat, do equals 1 / whatever, and it'll go in order from top to bottom. So yeah, that's that. Next, depending on what you're doing, you can either, if you are doing a battleground or using it for battlegrounds only, I'm not sure if any other battlegrounds but AV work, which is Alterac Valley. It's a little bit buggy in there too, as well. But yeah. If you're only doing that, then you can start up WoW and then your bot. To get into the battleground that you want, first press H and then click on Alterac Valley, and then press H again, and then you can start your bot. This is because it'll join the one that's already clicked on. If you are farming or PvEing, you'll have to create waypoints. So to do this, you want to fly or run to your area that you want to farm, and then farming mobs, by the way, because you can't gather yet. You want to go to the spot that you're gonna go. You're gonna farm, and then once you're there, you will double click create _wp.exe. It'll ask you. It'll have a few options. Just click OK. Settings are fine as there. So once you do that, it'll have a thing at the bottom here saying that you can run or whatever. And then basically you'll want to do a giant circle ending back up to your original waypoint. Once that's done, you can just stop running. Right click on the icon down here. It'll look like this icon here. Right click that and then just press this exit or whatever it says. And once you've done that, you can double click your updated file and it'll pop up the bot. So oh, I forgot, sorry. Your waypoint, which will be recorded _path, will show up in this main folder here. You'll have to move that into the waypoints so that the bot will see it, and then you can open up your bot and then click the one that you want, whether you're doing the BG or the recording or you're farming, and click your main profile. And then again, if you're PvPing, then click PvP mode, obviously. And if you're PvEing, then click PvE mode. Press start, and then it'll go. That's basically it. To loot when you are on PvE mode, you'll have to change a few settings around in your interface, key bindings, in WoW. Target last hostile. You'll want to put that to F9, I believe, and interact with target F10, if I'm not. And it should be good to go. You should be able to press start right here, and it should go automatically. And I believe that's it. So yeah, I hope this video tutorial helped, and see you next time.